Miss Smith, do you think someone will pick me today? I truly wish somebody would.
The decision is not up to you, Megan. Please go back to your bed. Megan, move to the end of the line, right now.
But I was standing first.
I said no. You are far too small. Your outfit is worn out. Nobody wants a poor little girl like you. Go to the back.
All right. I will stand at the back. But I will never stop believing. Never.
Children, pay attention. A very important gentleman is arriving today. He is wealthy and influential. Look your best. Excellent. Older children stand in front. Younger children move to the back. He has arrived. Stand straight. Smile. Lift your heads up right now, everyone.
Good morning. My name is Mr. Braun. It is a pleasure to meet all of you today.
Welcome, Mr. Braun. We have been waiting for you. Welcome to our orphanage. These are our finest children. Strong, tall, and extremely healthy.
They appear to be in wonderful condition. Hello, children. They look very presentable.
Would you like to meet them individually?
Yes. Let us begin.
This is Jack. He is 9 years old, very strong, very healthy.
Hello, Jack. What are your favorite activities?
I enjoy reading and helping with daily chores.
And this is Mary. She is 8 years old. She speaks beautifully. A very well-mannered girl, as you can see.
It is wonderful to meet you, Mary.
Likewise, sir.
You see? A very well-mannered girl.
Yes, but I do not feel a connection. I want to feel some kindness.
We also have Sam and Anna and Lily.
Miss Smith, wait.
Oh? Feel what?
A connection. A spark.
Of course. Allow me to show you more children. This way, Mr. Braun.
Yes, all right.
He is searching for something warm, something genuine, I can tell. I am standing in the back, hidden in the darkness, very small. My sweater is black. I stare at the floor. Maybe Miss Smith is correct. Maybe nobody will ever choose me. Maybe I will remain here forever.
Miss Smith, I think it is time for me to leave.
Leave? But you have not met everyone. Please, stay a little longer.
I have met many children today. They are all wonderful, but I do not feel a connection. I apologize.
But look at Sam Gray. Very athletic and energetic. And Lily Watson. Very calm, very respectful.
That is excellent.
You see? Perfect children.
Yes, but I need more than perfection. I need something sincere.
Sincere? I do not understand.
I am sorry. Today is not the right day. I will return, perhaps.
He is leaving. He is walking toward the large front doors. He seems so disappointed. And I feel sad too. Wait, something dropped from his pocket. A white handkerchief on the dusty floor. So clean. So beautiful. Miss Smith did not notice it. Nobody noticed it. Only me. I saw it fall. Only me. I am very frightened. If I move, Miss Smith will be upset. She will yell at me. She will punish me. What would you do? Would you pick it up? Or remain in line and stay silent? Tell me in the comments. I have to help him. I must. Mr. Braun, wait! Sir, please wait a moment.
Megan, get back in line immediately. Megan, return to that line right now.
Sir, you dropped this. Here. It belongs to you.
Thank you, child. You picked this up for me. What is your name? How old are you, little one?
Megan. 6. My name is Megan, sir. I am 6 years old, sir. Miss Smith said nobody wants a girl like me.
I am very sorry, Mr. Braun. Megan is a troublesome child. Please ignore her. Let me introduce you to better children.
Miss Smith, please remain silent for a moment. I need to speak with Megan right now. Megan, look at me. Do not look down. You were very frightened, but you still ran after me.
I was scared, Mr. Braun.
I know, but you did it anyway.
Yes, sir. I was very scared because you dropped your handkerchief, and it did not feel right to stay quiet.
Why did you care? You do not even know me.
Because it belongs to you. You looked unhappy. I did not want you to lose something.
Megan, I do not want the strongest child. I want the kindest child. And today, I found her.
Me?
You, Megan. I would like to adopt you. I want to bring you home. Would you like that?
Yes. Oh, yes, please. Home? A real home?
Yes, absolutely.
Yes, sir. I would love that very, very much.
This is highly unusual. Megan is not our best option. Please reconsider and look at the others.
I have made my decision. Papers. Today.
I looked at Miss Smith. She words the but I was not. I was so happy inside.
Are you ready to leave?
I have nothing to pack, sir. Only the clothes I have on right now.
That is all you need. It is perfectly fine. We will provide everything you need. Let us go.
All right.
We are almost home, Megan. Is that all right?
Yes. Yes, it is more than all right. Much more.
This way, Megan. Close your eyes. Now open them.
Oh, my bedroom. Just for me?
Yes, Megan. Only for you. Just for you. Do you like it?
I love it. I love it so much. I truly love it.
From today, you are no longer an orphan. You are my daughter. I will remind you of that every single day. Come here, my daughter. Do not cry. You are home. You are safe. You are deeply loved.
I am not crying because I am sad. I am happy. I have never, ever felt this happy before.
Me too, Megan. Me too.
Have you ever done something kind, even when you were afraid? Did it change your life? Tell me in the comments. I read every single one. Share this story with a friend who needs to hear it today. See you next time.